大家好，我是 Lisa。我今天要带大家去 Apple 的新总部 Apple Park 来看看，想说应该很多人都没有看过，刚好它就在我家附近，所以我今天就带大家去看看啦。那我们就出发吧。这里就是 Apple Park 的 Visitor Center， 我们现在就继续看看吧。Alright, so you guys are able to lift the buildings up, and you're able to zoom in. Also change time of day. There's also a few stories here, one explaining how we utilize solar panel energy to actually operate Apple Park itself. And this one will tell you exactly how we cool the air using canopies. If you have any questions at all, let us know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
This 这边就是一个 Apple Store。这里是 cafe。
Welcome. Would you guys like to take a look at a menu?
Yeah.
So this is our menu. These are all the drinks we offer. We have espresso-based drinks, teas, and then right here are all the snacks. So we have chocolate bars, nutrition bars, and then raw nuts.
Okay.
And then if you'd like to order, I can help you whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
买一个拿铁。我们看完1楼了，现在要去2楼看看。那个就是 Apple Park 的新总部，就是我们刚刚在下面看到那个大圆圈的，大家都是飞姐，可是我妹妹说那个像一个甜甜圈，很大的甜甜圈。好了，那以上就是 Apple Park Visitor Center， 那我们现在要回家啦，我们下次见啦，拜拜。